All right, Hobo Wiz here. Welcome back. We're gonna do another dunk. This is gonna be dunk number 4. We didn't record dunk number 2. I did that in the middle of the night by myself, and that was a bad idea. So we're gonna reiterate. Let's have somebody with us for each dunk. It's getting colder, so it's getting a little tougher to stay in. It's getting tougher to get back out. So it's good to have somebody with you just for safety purposes. So we're gonna take our dunk. And we're going to try and stay in longer than just 3 seconds because, like I said, it's getting colder, it's getting harder to stay in, it's getting harder to get out. All right. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this one. Ooh, the ground's so cold. All right. Okay. Oh, I really don't want to do this. All right. 1, 2, go! One, two. Oh, let's just stay in a minute. Stay in a minute. Stay in a minute. Oh, I can't. Oh, my legs. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, you know, like my upper body seems okay because it wasn't under that long, but like my legs feel like almost painful. All right. Oh, and now I feel fine. Like that's it. I'm good now. Steady's excited like always. Oh. Yeah, now that I'm not in that super cold water anymore, I feel perfectly fine. Feel pretty good. Yeah, so let's keep it going. Maybe I can stay longer next time.